Hello, friends. Welcome back to Super English Lessons. We are so happy to see you again. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.
And hello, everyone, from me too. Tom is here, ready for fun stories, simple English, and a new adventure from Anna, because she traveled again.
Yes, friends, I traveled to India. Not the whole story of the vacation, just a short introduction, because today's main topic is my first experience on an Indian market.
I can't wait. Indian markets are legendary. So many colors, foods, smells, spices, people, clothes.
Exactly. Friends, please write in the comments if you have ever visited a big market in another country. And now, let's start. So, just a short pre-story of my flight. It was long, but okay, nothing crazy. The plane was full, the food was spicy, and my neighbor snored like a small tractor.
A small tractor?
Yes, a tiny but powerful tractor. But anyway, that is not important. The real adventure started when I went to the market the next morning. Friends, the Indian market, wow. Imagine colors everywhere. Red, yellow, orange, pink, gold, blue, a kaleidoscope.
So basically like walking inside a festival.
Exactly. And the moment I entered, one man smiled at me and shouted, "Welcome, sister. Best price for you," even though I didn't say a single word yet.
Classic.
And then 3 other sellers shouted the same thing at the same time.
They synchronized.
Yes, like a choir. At the entrance, there were fruit stalls. The fruits were so bright and smelled amazing. Mangoes, bananas, guava, papaya, coconuts.
Did you try any?
Of course. But first, let's teach our viewers some fruit vocabulary.
Yes, let's do it.
Repeat after me. Mango, guava, papaya, coconut.
Great job, friends.
So, I tried mango first. The seller handed it to me like a treasure. "Madam, this mango will change your life."
Did it?
Yes, it was so sweet I almost cried.
Emotional mango moment.
Friends, write in the comments if food ever made you emotional. After the fruits came the spice section. Friends, the spices were everywhere. Mountains of turmeric, chili, cinnamon, cardamom.
And the smell?
The smell was like 1,000 delicious dishes cooking at the same time.
Amazing.
But here is the funny part. I sneezed. Not once, not twice. I sneezed 6 times in a row like a broken trumpet.
A broken trumpet is very accurate.
The sellers laughed and said, "Good, madam. Sneezing means you are alive."
That is comforting.
Friends, repeat after me. Spice, turmeric, cinnamon, chili. Next, I walked into the clothing section. Oh, friends, this is where the real chaos started.
Clothing chaos is my favorite type of chaos.
First, the fabric stall. So many beautiful fabrics, silk, cotton, colorful patterns. One seller threw a pink scarf on my shoulders before I could say anything.
He just threw it?
"Yes, madam, this color is your destiny," he said.
Your destiny's pink now.
Friends, write in the comments your favorite clothing color. After that, I saw them. Saris. So many saris. The most beautiful ones I've ever seen. Red with gold borders, blue with silver patterns.
Did you try one?
Not 1, 3.
Of course.
The first sari was too long. I wrapped it wrong and almost tied myself to a pole.
A pole?
Yes, the seller had to rescue me. He said, "Madam, sari is an art. You are learning."
That is the politest version of you failed.
Friends, repeat after me. Sari, silk, fabric. Then I tried the second sari. This time I wrapped it better, But when I turned around, I hit a stack of pillows and they fell like dominoes.
You caused a pillow avalanche.
Yes, one pillow almost knocked a fan over. Everyone looked at me.
And what did you do?
I said, "Sorry, first day."
Good line.
Friends, please tell us in the comments if you've ever destroyed something in a store by accident. The third sorry fit perfectly. The seller said, "Madam, you look like a Bollywood star."
Did you buy it?
Yes, that sorry is now my treasure.
Good purchase.
Then I went to the jewelry section. Sparkling everywhere. Bangles, earrings, necklaces.
Dangerous for your wallet.
Extremely dangerous. One woman put 20 bangles on my hand before I could stop her.
20?
Yes, she said, "Look, madam, your arm is happy now."
That's actually adorable.
Friends, repeat after me. Bracelet, earrings, necklace. Then I reached the food stalls. Oh my goodness, friends, the food. Samosas, pakaras, chapati, biryani.
My favorite part.
The first thing I tried was a samosa. The seller gave me one and said, "Very small spicy, madam."
Uh-oh.
Tom, it was not small spicy. It was big spicy. Huge spicy. Universe spicy.
Universe spicy?
I felt like my tongue went on a roller coaster.
And did the seller laugh?
Yes, he said, "Good, madam, now you can speak Hindi."
The power of spice.
Friends, repeat after me. Samosa, biryani, spicy. After recovering from the spicy attack, I found a fruit called jackfruit.
Oh, jackfruit is huge.
Huge, like a baby dinosaur egg.
And did you try it?
Yes, and it tastes sweet and strange at the same time, like a mix of pineapple, banana, and bubble gum.
Bubble gum?
Yes. Friends, write in the comments if you have ever tried jackfruit. Then something shocking happened.
Oh, here we go.
A goat walked past me.
A goat in the market?
Yes, a small, cute goat wearing a necklace of marigold flowers.
Fashionable goat.
And it looked at me like, "Welcome to India."
Perfect ambassador.
Then I saw handmade bags, wooden toys, and beautiful notebooks with elephant designs.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a bag, 2 notebooks, and a tiny wooden elephant.
Nice.
Friends, repeat after me. Handmade. Notebook. Market. Another funny moment, one seller tried to sell me 10 kilograms of rice.
10? Why?
No idea. He just insisted, Madam, this rice will change your life."
But what were you supposed to do with 10 kilograms on vacation?
Exactly. I told him, "Sir, I don't need this much rice."
And?
He said, "You will thank me later."
That man is a legend.
Then the scarf seller tried again.
Oh, the Destiny pink scarf man?
Yes, he saw me again and shouted, "Sister, you came back. The scarf is waiting for you."
Persistent destiny.
Friends, write in the comments if you ever met a very determined seller. The best part of the market was the people. Everyone was smiling, talking, laughing, asking where I'm from.
Indians are very friendly.
Yes, one woman even helped me tie the sari properly. She said, "You must feel like a queen."
That's so sweet.
Friends, repeat after me. Friendly, colorful, market experience. What shocked me the most was the noise. So many sounds. Sellers shouting, people talking, motorcycles passing, music playing.
A full sound festival.
Yes, but somehow it felt alive, warm, and exciting. What I loved the most was the energy. The colors, the smiles, the smells, the bright fabrics, the delicious fruits. Everything felt magical.
And now you want to go again?
Of course.
Friends, write in the comments if you would like to visit an Indian market one day.
So that was my first experience on an Indian market.
And what an experience.
Friends, thank you for watching Super English Lessons.
We hope you had fun, learned new words, and enjoyed Anna's adventure.
See you next time, friends.
Bye, everyone.